If you're new to Samsung phones and you want to be able to hide apps away from the home screen and in the app drawer, you don't want them to show up on your phone as easy, there's a feature known as hide apps and it's found within the home screen settings. This here, my friends, is the Galaxy A16 5G model. In order to find this feature, you can always long press a blank area on the home screen like this here and go to the settings option right there. Once you reach here with the new One UI 7.0 update, you'll have something that looks like this, and you'll go down a little bit past all this until you see hide apps on home and app screen. Once you enter here, you will see this right here. Now, if you're new to this, you haven't done this yet, you will see that there is basically something like this here, where you can select the apps that you want to hide. Now, this is a low security hiding apps feature, doesn't require a password. And let's just say, for example, I want to hide my calculator. Okay, so I'm going to hide calculator, and I'm also going to hide the one that says Facebook. Okay, make sure once you have them selected and they show up here, you will press done. This is going to save it. And now when I go here into my home screen, you will see that you cannot find Facebook and the calculator. Okay, it's not going to show up here. Now, there is a trick to this though, to know if the person has it on their phone, which I think you should take notes on that. So for example, maybe you want to know if the person has it or not. Go to the Play Store, press search, and you'll type in Facebook, right? And if it shows that it's already installed or needs an update, then it means that this person has it on their phone already. And I know you guys are going to hate me for those of you who are hiding this, but that's just life, right? So now to unhide it, you'll just do the same thing again on your Samsung phone. Go to settings, and you'll go back down to the same part again. And if you want to unhide it, just minus and then press done. And then now you should be able to see Facebook and whatever else you hid a while ago. Like and sub.